Hi Kris. Not sure how well this is going to work. I've got my camera taped to a tripod, but I put the carbs in today and set up just some header pipes. Don't have anything set up to it for exhaust mufflers, but we are going to see how it starts. I did take the carbs apart and clean those out from all the rust that was in there from your old tank. So, and yes, I've already started it once and made sure everything's working. Got the hell shocked out of me when I got too close to the plug caps. But anyway, here is the key fob. I'm going to turn the bike on. And as soon as I hit the starter, it's going to turn the headlight on, which is tucked in here, just a bulb. When I turn the headlight on, two times on the starter button, it shuts the motor off with the Moto gadget. I'm going to use this and shut the computer off. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. It actually has a life now.